Hello guys, in this part we learn about if statement in C#. C# conditions and if statements. C# support the usual logical conditions from mathematics. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, non-equal to. You can use these conditions to perform different actions for different decisions. C# has the following conditional statements. Use if to specify a block of code to be executed. If a specified condition is true. Use else to specify a block of code to be executed. If the same condition is false. Use else if to specify a new condition to test if the first condition is false. Use switch to specify many alternative blocks of code to be executed. Use the if statement to specify a block of C# code to be executed if a condition is true. So the syntax is if and condition and a block of code, this block. So in this example we test two values to find out if 20 is greater than 18. If the condition is true, print some text. So if the condition is 20 greater than 18 and a block of code console.writeLine 20 is greater than 18 and control F5. 20 is greater than 18. We can also test variables. Int x equal 20 and int y equal 18, and the condition is x greater than y. X is greater than y and control F5. X is greater than y. So if I change the condition to y greater than x and control F5, we don't have result because x greater than y. So the else statement. Use the else statement to specify a block of code to be executed if the condition is false. So the syntax is if condition and block of code and else block of code. If this condition be true, be false, this block of code will be executed. So example, int time equal 20 and if time is smaller than 8, console.writeLine good day, and else console.writeLine good evening. So if time is smaller than 18, this block will be executed and console.writeLine good day, and if time not smaller than 18, this block of code will be executed. So control F5 and good evening. The else if statement. Use the else if statement to specify a new condition if the first condition is false. So syntax. if condition 1 and a block of code, and if else if condition 2 and a block of code, and else and a block of code. If condition 1 be true, this block of code will be executed, and if condition 1 be false and condition 2 be true, this block of code will be executed, and if condition 1 and condition 2 be false, this block will be executed. So example, int time 2 equal 22, and if time is smaller than 10, console.writeLine good morning, and else if time is smaller than 20, console.writeLine good day, and else console.writeLine good evening. So if time is smaller than 10, this block will be executed, and if time not smaller than 10 and smaller than 20, this block will be executed, and if time not smaller than 10 and not smaller than 20, this block will be executed. So we should see console.writeLine good evening, because 22 not smaller than 10 and not smaller than 20. Control F5 and good evening. Shorthand if else. There is also a shorthand if else, which is known as the ternary operator because it consists of 3 operands. It can be used to replace multiple lines of code with a single line. It is often used to replace simple if-else statements. So syntax. The syntax is variable equal condition and expression true and expression false. So if this condition be true, this code will be executed, and if condition is false, this code will be executed. So I copy this code and paste here. So instead of writing this code, we can simply write if int time 3 equals 20 and remove this, and string result equal time smaller than 18, and if time is smaller than 18, assign result good day, and if time is not smaller than 18, assign result good evening, and semicolon, and console.writeLine result. So time is 20 and not smaller than 18, so we should see good evening. Control F5 and good evening. If I change the condition and time greater than 18, we should have good day, and control F5, good day is here.